Yes, thank you, sir. Sir, we were going to continue with from yesterday class. Can you see that we were talking about equilibrium yesterday? In this one general reversible reaction I am taking, reversible reaction I am taking, that is Ma plus Nb gives rise to Pc plus Qd. Sir, in this, carefully see here onwards. Equilibrium constant in terms of concentration is Kc. Then how to write means concentration of C to the power of P, concentration of D to the power of Q divided by concentration of A to the power of M and then concentration of B to the power of N. This is equilibrium constant in terms of concentration. Equilibrium constant in terms of pressure, C. Pressure of C to the power of P, pressure of D to the power of Q divided by pressure of A to the power of M, pressure of B to the power of N. This is equilibrium constant in terms of concentration. This is equilibrium constant in terms of pressure. Why not number of moles? That also will write. Equilibrium constant in terms of number of moles. Can you see? Number of moles of C to the power of stoichiometric coefficient. Number of moles of D to the power of stoichiometric coefficient divided by number of moles of A to the power of stoichiometric coefficient, the number of moles of B to the power of stoichiometric coefficient. Why not mole fraction? That also will write. Equilibrium constant in terms of mole fraction. This is in terms of concentration, in terms of pressure, in terms of number of moles. This is in terms of mole fraction. Can you see? Mole fraction of C to the power of P, mole fraction of D to the power of Q by mole fraction of A to the power of M, then mole fraction of B to the power of N. Yesterday we did. Until this, anybody having doubts, sir? This is reversible reaction. How to write equilibrium constant? Equilibrium constant in terms of concentration, equilibrium constant in terms of pressure, equilibrium constant in terms of number of moles, equilibrium constant in terms of mole fraction. Yes, this we did yesterday. Now carefully see, we were going with continuation of this class. See sir, carefully. Now we will talk about the direct chemical reactions. See here, for example, sir, all are carefully. N2 plus 3H2 gives rise to 2NH3. Sir, can anybody tell, this is gas only, this is gas, this is gas. Sir, can anybody tell me what is that Kc, how to write for this equation? Kc, how to write? Everybody should say. How to write for this Kc? Yes, sir. How to write Kc for this equation? Anyone? Concentration of NH3 to the power of 2 divided by concentration of N2 to the power of 1. Then, yes. And then concentration of H2 to the power of 3. This we know. Correct? Now carefully, one more reaction I am going to talk. CaCO3 gives rise to CaO plus CO2. Sir, for example, this is solid, no? This is also solid, this is liquid. For example, Kp, how to write, sir? Kp. Equilibrium constant in terms of pressure. How I should write means this. Pressure of CO2 to the power of how much, sir? 1 divided by pressure of CaO. Sorry, multiple. Pressure of CaO to the power of 1 divided by pressure of CaCO3 to the power of 1. Anybody having doubt on this? I didn't do anything, sir. Just in terms of pressure I written. Pressure of CO2 into pressure of CaO divided by pressure of CaCO3. But this is that wrong one. What is the correct one in the sense? This. It won't be there. This is also won't be there. Kp is equal to, just I am writing PCO2 to the power of 1. Or even Kc, if I want to write, I can write just only concentration of CO2 to the power of 1. I won't write this, I won't write this. I am not writing this, reason will be there. Here I written everything, reason will be there. Here why I am not writing in the sense, simply I am sorry, this is gas. See, simply I am neglecting the solids when I am writing the equilibrium constant. Why, I will tell you. Sir, carefully, when you are writing the equilibrium constant in terms of concentration, pressure, number of moles, mole fraction, you should apply only the irreversible reaction which are the gaseous state. Which are the gaseous state. Solids you should neglect, even liquids also you should neglect. Why I am going to say? Sir, carefully. Why I am going to say, I will tell you now. For example, sir, all are look at carefully. Solid is there, liquid is there, and then gas is there. Sir, concentration means what can I say, sir? Concentration. What is the formula for concentration? Can I say N by V? Correct. The number of moles present in V in liter only, no? Yes or no? Now, sir, this concentration of, for example, concentration I am talking N by V, sir. Sir, for solid, can you say that? N will be number of moles of solid, and then liquid, N only, gas is also N only. Can you tell me, when I am taking that solid in different vessels, volume occupied by solid will be same or differ? N will be same. Can you tell me that solid, when I am taking this kind of vessel, when I am taking this kind of vessel, when I am taking this kind of vessel, the particular solid occupied volume in this, same or differ? Can anybody? Volume, particular solid occupied by volume in this vessel, in this vessel, in this vessel. It will occupy same volume or different volume? Solid substance. For example, sir, ball is there, sir. This ball. This ball, when I'm keeping in this vessel, when I'm keeping in this vessel, when I'm keeping in this vessel, this ball is occupied in this. Same volume or different volume? Occupied by same volume or different volume? Can anyone? Yes, sir. Sir, I am not changing the solid. For example, sir, this is mouse is there, sir. This mouse I am keeping in this. How much occupied volume? In this. How much occupied volume? In this. How much occupied volume? It means this solid substance is particular solid substance. When I am going to keeping in the different vessel, volume occupied by this solid substance will be same or differ? Can anyone, sir? Same. It means number of moles will be same, particular number of moles. Volume also same. It means N by V value for solids is constant or not? Yes. The next, sir, liquid M when I am taking, sir. Liquid. For example, 1 liter water I am taking, sir. For example, I am pouring in this. What is the volume of water, sir, in this? 1 liter only. When I am pouring in this, 1 liter only. When I am pouring in this, 1 liter only. Volume of the liquid is changing according to vessel. You got my point, sir? Volume of the liquid it is changing? No. For that, N by V for liquids also constant. But for gas, yes. Sir, I am taking that gas. 10 ml of gas will be there, sir. But this is 1 liter vessel. This is 2 liter vessel. This is 1.5 liter vessel, for example. When this 10 ml of gas is pouring in this, what is the volume of the vessel? 10 ml or 1 liter you will think of. Volume of the gas is nothing but vessel volume only, no? You got my point, sir? It means volume is changing. N is constant, volume in this changing, volume in this changing, volume in this changing. It means N by V is for gases is variable. You got my point, sir? Anybody having doubt what I am trying to say? This point everybody clear? If you are not clear, you can ask me. This point, if you are not clear, please you can ask me. Open your mic and tell me, sir. Solid substance is there. Sir, number of moles is constant, sir. And you can take it any n number of moles. Yes, volume of the solid will change or constant means absolutely constant because solid definite volume will be there. Correct or not, sir? N is constant, V also constant. Now N by V volume will be constant for solids only, no? This is nothing but what I am talking. Concentration of the solid is constant. For liquid, sir. For liquid, volume of the liquid, definite volume of the volume of the liquid also constant. Definite volume will be there for liquids. Correct. Even N by V for liquids also constant. For gaseous, there is no definite value. The gaseous volume is equal to the gas which you are taking in that vessel volume. Correct. The vessel total volume only, then we can say gas volume. It means volume of the gaseous changing from vessel to vessel. Correct. It means N is constant, V is changing. N by V will change. That is gas will be variable. Means for solids and then liquids, the concentration will be constant one. For that, we are not considering like this. CaCO3 gives rise to CaO plus CO2 is there, no? For example, pressure will be there. Actually, I should write pressure of CO2 to the power of 1, pressure of CaO to the power of 1 by pressure of CaCO3 to the power of 1. But this is solid, this is solid, this is gas. It means this will become 1. This will become 1 because nothing changing. From initially, from finally, nothing changing, constant. For even liquids also nothing changing. Then ultimately what will happen? Kp is equal to pressure of CO2 to the power of 1. It means when you are writing equilibrium constant in terms of concentration, pressure, number of moles, mole fraction, you should consider which are the reactant product present in the gaseous state only. You got points, sir, this? Still anybody having doubt on this? Please you can. Yes, sir. Anyone having doubt, please you can ask me. Then we will go further. It is very important concept. Can we go further? Can anyone say, sir, yes or no? Sir, if you would, fine. Thank you, sir. Now, we'll go a little bit further, sir. Sir, carefully you have to see. If you didn't get anything, please you can ask, sir. Okay. Now, equilibrium only now. Sir, here I am going to talk about all are. Sir, for example, any one reaction I am taking, sir, which you want, you can see. Na plus Nb gives rise to Pc plus Qd. For understanding, this is gas, 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 gas only. Now, for this, how to write Kc, sir? Now again I am writing Kc is equal to concentration of C to the power of P, concentration of D to the power of Q divided by concentration of A to the power of M, concentration of B to the power of N. Anybody having doubt? No. Now, Kp, can you see that? Pressure of C to the power of P, pressure of D to the power of Q divided by pressure of A to the power of M, pressure of B to the power of N. This is in terms of pressure. Sir, I want to make the relation between Kc and then Kp. Sir, for example, what is the ideal gas equation, sir? From what is the ideal gas equation? Can anyone? Very good. PV is equal to nRT. Sir, RT can bring this side, we can get that side. P by RT is equal to N by V. Sir, this N by V meaning is what, sir? Can I call it as concentration? Yes, sir. No, sir. Yeah. Number of moles present in V in liter. Then can I call it as this is concentration? Yes. Now carefully see. Wherever the concentration here there, no? You got my point. Or wherever the pressure there, no? See. P is equal to, can I write, sir? This is N by V into RT. Correct. But this is P is equal to concentration, no? I am keeping it. It means wherever the pressure will be there, concentration into RT, I can write it. Anybody having doubt on this? Wherever the pressure of C will be there, no. I can write concentration of C into RT to the power of P. Pressure of D will be there, no. I can write concentration of D into RT to the power of Q. Yes or no? Because from ideal gas equation, PV is equal to nRT, then P is equal to N by V into RT. Then P is equal, this value is concentration only, no, that symbol I am using, into RT. This P is equal to concentration into RT, I am going to keep in this equation. You should see that carefully. Sir, everybody should see. It means I am going to write P is equal to concentration of, P is equal to what should I apply? Concentration RT. Sir, this I am applying. Kp is equal to, see sir, pressure of C means, can I write concentration of C into RT, then whole to the power of P. Sir, wherever the P will be there, I am applying this. For D also see, concentration of D, RT, whole to the power of what, sir? Q, divided by, for this also see, concentration of A into RT, whole to the power of M. Correct? Now can you see this? Concentration of B into RT whole to the power of N. Anybody having doubt how I written this? Then next. Sir, I am not doing anything, just simplification. Kp is equal to, sir, here, concentration of C to the power of P. Sir, this and then this. Now I am writing initially this, concentration of D to the power of Q. Into what is there, see sir, RT power P, RT power Q is there. Yes, divided by, down what is there? Concentration of A to the power of M, concentration of B to the power of M into RT power, how much is there here? M, RT power N. Anybody having doubt on this? The next step. Sir, carefully. Very. Next step, sir. Sir, these bases are equal, no? RT, RT. Then what I should do that powers? These bases are equal. What I should do that powers? Add the powers. Now next step I am writing this. Here next step, see. Kp is equal to, this is as it is same. Concentration of C to the power of P, concentration of D to the power of Q, into, can I write RT whole to the power of P plus Q. Yes, no? Just I didn't do anything because bases are same, then powers I am adding. Divided by this only, no? See? Concentration of A to the power of M, concentration of B to the power of N, Then what can I write, sir? RT whole to the power of m plus n. You got my point, sir? Now, sir, Kp is equal to, sir, can anybody this part totally, what can I call? What this can I call? Very good. Kc. Very good, sir. Now this I am going to write this manner. RT, this if it is goes up, P plus Q will be there, minus M plus N. Can I write, sir? Because if it is goes up, minus of M plus N will come. Again bases are equal. Then you can add RT whole power P plus Q minus M plus N. Correct? Now Kp is equal to Kc RT whole power. Sir, what is this meaning, sir? P plus Q minus M plus N. We did something. We know that concept. What is this? P plus Q minus M plus N. What it is called? Anyone should say. We know. See, what are the, see, total number of products which are the present in the gaseous state minus total number of reactant which are present in the gaseous state. That value is what? Very good, sir. That is delta M. You got my point. It means Kp Kc relation, what we got, can you see that? Very good. It means Kp is equal to Kc RT whole power delta N. What is, sir? Kp is equal to Kc RT whole power delta. Sir, I didn't do anything. Just I took Kp for this equation. But pressure is equal to, according to ideal gas equation, pressure is equal to concentration into RT. This concentration means N by V only, sir, nothing. That I applied, just a simplification I did. I didn't do anything extra. It means, what is the relation I got? Can you see? Kp is equal to Kc RT whole power delta N. This relation we want. Now I am rubbing, can you see, sir, carefully? Yes. Sir, this relation only I want. It means, see that relation. Kp is equal to Kc RT whole power delta N. Sir, in this, Kp means equilibrium constant in terms of pressure. Pressure. This is in terms of concentration. Equilibrium constant in terms of concentration. R means what? Already we done. Real gas constant. T means what? Absolute temperature. Delta N means already we done it. The products of gaseous state which are present minus the reactants, total reactants which are present in gaseous state. Yes, this is about relation between the Kp and then Kc. Kp is equal to Kc RT whole power delta N. This is the relation between Kp and then Kc. Yes. Now we will go with other two relations, or we will do based on these problems. Okay. Now keep it in mind, sir. This is okay now? Based on these 2-3 problems we will do, then we will go further. Sir, carefully. For a given reversible reaction, what is the relation between Kp and Kc? Reaction, sir. N2 plus 3H2 gives rise to 2NH3. This is they gave. Sir, first I will do one question. This is gas. This is also gas. This is also gas. Kp Kc relation is Kp is equal to Kc RT whole power delta N. But from this equation I can calculate delta N, no? See, delta N is equal to how much, sir? Here 2 minus, for this is how much? 4. It means minus 2. Then you can apply it here. Kp is equal to Kc RT whole power minus 2. Correct, no? Now 1 by RT square. It means, can I write, sir, this is Kc is equal to Kp RT whole power 2. Sir, just to reciprocal it. Whether you are able to understood, no, this value. Kp is equal to Kc RT whole power minus 2. If you send this side, it will become plus 2. That is Kc is equal to Kp RT whole power 2. In this case, Kp will be more or Kc will be more, sir? Who will say? Kp will be more or Kc will be more? Yes, it means Kc will be more comparatively Kp. This is the relation of Kp and then Kc for this equation. Everyone clear, sir? How to do that? You got, no? Very good. Now, sir. Sir, one more problems we will. It is important one. Same method, but it is important. Can you see? Carefully. Sir, can you see? What is the relation between Kp and then Kc for given following equation? Sir, equation, can you see? All are careful. You should see CaCO3 gives rise to CaO plus CO2. Gas, solid, solid. What is the Kp and then Kc relation, sir? Then second one, like PCl5 gives rise to PCl3 plus Cl2. Gas, gas, gas. The third one, 2O3 gives rise to 3O2. Gas, gas. Now I want Kp Kc relation, sir. Who will say? One by one you can do and then tell me. Tell me, sir, one by one. Here Kp is equal to Kc RT whole power delta n. Okay. For first question answer. Yes, sir. Open mics and then tell me, sir. Sir, first question delta n value is how much? 1. Then you can apply, no? 1. Delta n is equal to what? Very good. It means here what will happen? Kp is equal to Kc RT whole power 1. Which is more? Kp will be more comparatively Kc. Very good. That is fine. Sir, next question tell me. Delta n value how much you got? Delta n value 1 you got, no? Very good. See, 2, no, delta n is 2, 1 plus 1, 2 minus 1, no? Now, delta n is equal to 1, same, Kp is equal to Kc RT whole power 1, then it becomes Kp greater than Kc. For the last one, can you see? Same, delta n is equal to 1 only, 3 minus 2, correct? Now see, Kp is equal to Kc RT whole power delta n, then Kp greater than Kc. This is the way they will ask the questions from Kp and then Kc relations. Yes, it is very, very, very important one. If this concept over means we will go further, sir. Can we go further, sir? Anybody trying to ask anything? If doubt means please you can. Because we are going, tell me, tell me. Okay. Yes, yes. Just only concentration of CO2. Ah, yes. I am saying no, solids you should not consider, even liquid also should not consider. Okay. Because the solid contains definite volume. Volume is not changing. N is not changing, volume is not changing. N by V is the constant. Correct? For liquids also N by V is the constant one. But for gases only, volume is changing. N is even though constant, volume is changing. N by V is variable. That variable concentration only we are going to calculate. Yes? Okay, fine. Now, sir, this is about your Kp-Kc relations. Now the next is few more relations will be there. Derivations is there, but see, one relation is this. Kp is equal to Kc RT whole power delta n. When I am talking about what is the Kp and Kn relation? Yes. What is the relation between Kp and Kx relation? Sir, you can find out if you know, then otherwise I will teach. Just you can try it. How the way Kp Kc relation we frame, no? The same way. Kp and Kn you can, Kp and Kx you can. If it is possible only you can. Otherwise tomorrow I will teach it. Okay? This relation. Yes. The next. Sir, carefully. This relations alone you can. If you know, you can do. If you don't know, then I will teach it. But you can try it. Must and should. You can try and then tell me tomorrow whether you are able to get or not. Yes. Now, sir, in this we were going to calculation Kc values. It is important, sir. How to calculate Kc? Kc. Very, very important. See, for example, sir, Kc is nothing but equilibrium constant. Sir, this Kc means equilibrium constant in terms of concentration. For example, sir, A plus B gives rise to C plus D will be there. Sir, at time t is equal 0 seconds. For example, this is 100 there, this is 100 there, this is 0 there, this is 0. 0 second. At time t is equal t1 second, this is 100 minus x consumption, this is 100 minus x consumption, x formation, x formation. Here consumption, here formation. But t is equal to t equilibrium time. T equilibrium time. T equilibrium time. For example, in this 100 minus y, 100 minus y, then y, then y. It means, for example, t is equal to t completion I am talking. Yes. This is 0, this is 0, this is 100, this is 100. Just simply I am writing. Now, at this temperature, I can calculate Kc. At this time, 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 I can calculate. But the Kc meaning is what? Equilibrium constant in terms of concentration at equilibrium time only. whatever you are calculating, concentration of C, concentration of D by concentration of A, concentration of B at this time, that is not Kc. At this time you cannot calculate. Even at this time you cannot say Kc. But at this time only you can say Kc. But at this time you cannot say the Kc. At this time, how become Kc means C. Kc, concentration of C, concentration of D to the power of 1 divided by concentration of A to the power of 1, B to the power of 1. Now what is the formula C? Kc is equal to concentration of C is Y. Concentration of D is Y. Y to the power of 1, Y to the power of 1. Concentration of A, concentration of C. 100 minus X, sorry, 100 minus Y to the power of 1, 100 minus Y to the power of. This is the value. It means at this time only I can say this is the Kc. At this time I cannot say Kc. At this time I cannot Kc. At this time I cannot say Kc. It means equilibrium constant in terms of concentration, pressure, number of moles, mole fraction. We can calculate only when the reaction present at equilibrium. That is very, very, very important one. You got that point? I'll write it, Caesar. It means Kp, Kc, Kn, Kx, anything. See, Kp, Kc, Kn, Kx of any reversible reaction can calculate by when the reaction is present at equilibrium time. This is important. When the reaction present at equilibrium time only, that I can say that I can calculate Kp, Kc, Kn. But other than that equilibrium time, I cannot calculate equilibrium constant. Maybe in terms of concentration, maybe in terms of number of moles, maybe in terms of mole fraction. Yes? Sir, I think time is going to end, sir. Time over. If it is anybody having doubt, no, please you can